Hell no. Sound like a goddamn, damn lawnmower.
All right, look, just keep your mouth shut.
See, look, you got to eat.
Amen. And just as these incidents of violence in my client's younger years can be attributed to his disadvantaged upbringing, his alleged aggression behind bars has in fact been acts of self-defense against the Aryan Brotherhood, a right-wing group associated with the Ku Klux Klan.
I'd like to
Calm
hear
down
from
with that
Mr.
shit.
Rick himself. If he truly thinks he can make a meaningful contribution to society.
Well put, brother. What will you do if you get out of prison?
You can watch TV. What's wrong with you?
I guess, Mr. Chairman,
You need to go to the doctor or something.
that first I'll pay a visit to your house.
Snorting your ass off.
Thank me, I suppose.
No. Your wife
Oh, Lord.
and your daughter. Hell, maybe even your dog.
Can you sleep on your back?
I don't think that's funny.
Then you'll probably hate this.
All right, I can't watch TV. I can't watch my damn show.
The last time I had a gun this
Boy, this ain't gonna do.
man took off all his clothes for me. This time it's your turn, right?
Earlier than during the day, you snoring like this. Lord have mercy.
6 tags, please.
You really got to get together. Some make no damn sense. That's crazy. I can't watch my damn show. And I mean, during the day and you snoring like this. This don't make no damn sense. Lord have mercy. See, this is the problem. Maybe I need to talk to you now. Maybe you'll listen. It's hard to talk to you when you goddamn up. Since you sleep and snoring in my goddamn face, that might need to talk to you right now. I don't like your damn attitude.